Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a store here in Bigcommerce. Let's begin. Creating a Bigcommerce store involves setting up an account, configuring essential settings, and of course customizing your online store to reflect your brand. Now I want you to go to the Bigcommerce website and of course start a free trial. You see there's going to be an option here that says that magic button. Click on it, and all you're gonna do now is create your online store. All right, you can discover why fast-growing brands choose Bigcommerce and all of these information. Now you can get started today with the 15 days free trial. It is no credit card required. All you have to do is put in your first name, last name, your phone number, email address, and password, and of course the store name. You can change this at any time, and of course what size is your online business. This is very important so that the BigCommerce analytics will provide and suggest themes that best reflects your brand and of course your size and income. What is it going to be like? Are you just starting out? You haven't started already, or you're like building a business? And if you're not sure, just click on any of the options here, right? And of course, the location of your store, is it going to be North America, Europe, and Asia Pacific? And after that, click on create your store. And once you've done that, you would receive an email confirming that you have successfully created your account here in BigCommerce. All right, and all I'm gonna do is click this button that says get started, and you would be forwarded to the home page. Now after signing up, you'll be taken to the BigCommerce dashboard, wherein this is the control center for managing products, orders, and settings. Now, you might want to familiarize yourself with the layout, as you'll be using this interface frequently. You see, these are going to be some of the options: your orders, products, customers, and storefront. But we're going to deal with the settings first. If you click on the settings, you would notice that this is going to be the store profile we're in. If you want to put in some basic information about your business, like the address and the default country, okay? You can also go to the currencies, customers, currencies, and of course the price for that, payment methods if you haven't already. This is very important, of course, so that you know the options for you to be getting paid. So these are some of the options that you can choose: PayPal, Stripe, and a lot more. All right, so go again here. You have the tax, shipping. We have a separate video on how to deal with the shipping, tax, and payment method, and of course the website. All right, so we're not going to deal with that, but basically I need you to configure all of these settings right here, all of them. And then after configuring all of these settings in your account, the next thing that you need to do is very important. We need to go to the storefront on the left side, because you need to create your first store, right? And that means you need to choose the themes that you're going for your store. Basically, Storefront offers a lot of themes in their marketplace. You can choose the industry that you wanted. Is it going to be arts and crafts? You see, it changes, right? Is it going to be animals and pets, automotive, electronics, fashion, food and bev, gifts, health, home and garden, books, sports, and recreation? But please take note that there are two options here. You have the free ones, which is kind of limited. You have like few options for here, like literally like few of them, a handful. If you choose the paid, however, what will happen is you would notice that the prices changes depending on the complexity and if the design is intricate. They have like 320, 350, some are like 265. There are like 250. 99 and 299. All right, of course, since you are just starting, you might want to click the free option for now and click on any of the template that you seem like would best represent and reflect your brand. For example, this one, Fortune Bright. You have two options here. You have like preview, add theme, and view demo. If you want to test the waters, if this is going to be the template that you're going to use for your store, you might want to click on that to check the responsiveness of your store template. Right, you can just hover along, click on it, and once you're happy, just exit. Now I need you to click on the add theme. What will happen is you would be forwarded here. you can save to library without applying. We're not going to do that, but instead we're going to apply a theme right now. Click on confirm, and what will happen is you would be forwarded to the website builder or the page builder for your store. Right? You have the options here. You have the advanced, making a copy, download current theme, download original theme, or if you want to customize, you're welcome to do that. Let's click on customize and let's tweak some settings for our e-commerce store. All right. On top, you have the design, the preview button, and of course the desktop preview, the tablet preview, and of course the mobile preview, depending on the devices you're working out. You have all of these, the layout, text, hero banner image, carousel, which is very important, video, product set, product, and button. Basically, you can drag and drop them here. One image. You can change the image here if you click on upload. Now, after configuring your theme, the next thing is I want you to go again to the homepage. All right. From here, this is very important because you need to create products that sells. This is where we're going to generate income here in Bigcommerce. The reason why you created a platform, search for a platform, and of course, create your store. From here, all you have to do, these are some of the options for the product: free shipping, last import, out of stock, and a lot more. Of course, we're just going to click on the add products here. We have a separate video on how to add products. That's going to be an in-depth tutorial, but for now, we're going to kind of like now all you have to do is hover down below here, just tweak the settings here and put all of the information. We have again a video for that, so we're not gonna dive deep into this, but certainly once you have finalized all of the information, say for example I'm going to put in a default price here, maybe 6, and click on save. All right, so you have successfully created your first product. Once you have created your first product, the last thing that you need to do, you have set up the theme, your store information, your product. I need you to click on the upper right corner where you can see the select a plan, because before you can go live and sell here in Bigcommerce, you need to pick a plan for your store. All right, because you cannot sell here if you are using their free plan that I am using. Remember, they have like 15 days for that. And here you have these 4 options. The standard, which is going to be $29 per month, the plus, which is $79 per month, and the pro, which is $299 per month. These are going to be the perks and benefits that you might want to check in order for you to assess which plan are you going to use. All right, so you can take advantage of them. And if you wanted to scale up and go for the enterprise, I highly suggest you contact sales for that. Now, speaking of contacting sales, if you have more questions about creating your Bigcommerce store here, you might want to go to the Bigcommerce customer support. All right, so these are the channels. You can get a demo, explore modern e-commerce for a new era with a personalized tour in their platform. Talk to sales if you have more questions about creating a store, and of course if you wanted to get support. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.